we're here with homeowner Joel. We're in Alito, Texas, and we just completed a roof rejuvenation for you a couple days ago.
Yes.
And I didn't have a chance to talk with you once it was done. So I wanted to just take a couple minutes and ask a couple questions if I could. So first of all, when you saw the roof rejuvenation done, what was your initial thought on how the roof looked?
Yeah, so I came home from work and I noticed on our street that, our home is about 5 or 6 years old.
Okay.
And I noticed that when we were coming down the street that some of the, I don't know if you call it like whitewashed or sunwashed, the other roofs, our neighbors' roofs were really lighter. And when I pulled up to our house, I noticed it looked like when we bought it 5 or 6 years ago.
Nice.
And so it just looked like a new roof. And, I don't know much about this at all, but
Yeah.
It was very visual to me what you guys did. So I was appreciative of that.
Awesome. Yeah, it's a newer idea with roof rejuvenation.
Yeah.
The whole idea is to actually have an alternative to having to do a full roof replacement, and so it's a great option for people. We love the fact that we can extend the life of people's roofs. Sometimes double the roof, sometimes triple
Right.
the roof. I mean, we never know. We have a 6-year warranty.
That's
It
great.
might be that in 6 years you say, "Hey, Jason, come back and spray," and it might extend even further.
Yeah.
So you never know.
I'll be excited to see what it looks like in 5 or 6 years from now and see the difference between the homes. So
Yeah.
yeah.
So, what was process working with All American Roof Shield? Anything that surprised you during the whole time?
Very quick and easy, easy to communicate with you guys, and very, very appreciative of y'all's business. Very professional as well. So, yeah, like I went to work and I came home and I have a new roof. There
Yeah.
you go.
Very good. And so, if someone was on the fence you said you drive around people's houses, maybe the roofs they're lighter shade, or maybe they're faded, or maybe they're dried out.
Yeah.
And someone's considering, do I do a roof replacement or a roof rejuvenation? They're kind of on the fence. What advice or what kind of comment would you give that kind of person?
I think the thing, I'm a researcher, so is my wife. I'm thinking, okay, what are they spraying? Is it going to be bad for, I don't know, to breathe in, or is it going to do damage to the roof? And I think the thing that got me is that you said it's kind of an all natural chemical, isn't it? Isn't that right?
Yeah, it's eco-friendly, 96% soy based.
Okay.
So it was designed by Iowa State University. So it's American made. The heartland.
Yeah.
It's supporting our farmers, and it's a great product. So there's no chemicals. Eco-friendly meaning that it's human friendly, pet friendly, and so it's a great product. Yeah.
Yeah, I would say that it's just it doesn't do any harm to try, and I was very surprised when I saw how good it was. So
Awesome.
there you go.
Awesome. Well, is there anything that, as far as talking to people, is it something that you would now that you've seen it on your roof, is it something you would consider telling other people about?
Yeah, absolutely. I'd love to get a sign.
Yeah.
I'd love to put a sign up for you guys.
Absolutely.
and hopefully that you can get a lot more business out there and make this a more popular thing. So
Wonderful. Well, Joel, thank you for your time.
Hey.
Appreciate it.
thank you, man.